it's here, me,
when you get there.
When you get there, I will be saying, I say, oh, malaria.
Demi said, if we there, woman fall. Na, a one hour that you two in your, it's in the pop, the malaria.
Okay.
Looking at the symptoms, no, if you are in a good one or done. When you are, when you are malaria, not to be been at
okay. And you know, malaria and ankasano, there are other conditions. Signs and symptoms of malaria, and also it is in those conditions. For example, sodium typhoid. The symptoms are almost the same as obia.
Almost the same. I like that. Which means that malaria or peculiar
signs and symptoms.
That's what I would want us to highlight. Sabi on that today, woman okay, easy. Most of the malaria, but especially say in the Martin canal. Your conclusion or ever a tester. Now, I can't. Them symptoms that them not feel. Are there any special symptoms? Another, shown from other diseases. On in training the or malaria or children.
So, as I already said, malaria signs and symptoms, and also other conditions, and so those signs and symptoms. Now, most of the time, that is how our body will respond to whatever is going on inside. And the first of all, say, parasites not everyone anymore. The person can't elevate see as a now okay. So most of the time, we say parasites, and I say malaria and one or who run the first place is in the liver. I didn't know who call liver. Because liver has a lot of blood over there. You say it is one of the vascularized organs. It means a moja kohopan, and liver has to do with blood clotting. Send a baby shower or modernistic channel. It is the liver. Liver those major and then it is a parasite, echo one, then they go and multiply. Because for them to grow or multiply, so as they grow or they multiply, now bloodstream. And see, after bloodstream, say the blood is flowing, all over your body. So as the blood flows, now also maybe after 2 years when you lipid say anytime foreign body be, and as I gave you any point say what you lipid and never shame will pay. Then say your body also I responded. I was say you're so just near that I'm sorry. No more put here particular parasites. And say no edema, a very big inflammatory response. If we get by the draining, and to those inflammatory immune system maybe activate those responses, then they will start attacking the parasites. And so, we will say, yes. And so, it's as a result of that inflammatory response. Once or more, we take pyro. After you want to need it, I don't want to need it because when you iron, even say a metallic taste in your mouth, and that's all the BBR show and then or more. Anna, wait to me, still, maybe you don't have a lot of knowledge about malaria, and at a hospital, and then take their own boy. But wait to me, for some time. A course also for some time, that means that it will be getting worse or symptoms, and shame very well, it will be a better form. But to be honest, Asana Ababa, a better because body air say, or no cassa, a he. It is a go any moon, Sana. I think so. Parasite may attack you, be there, friend, your red blood cells. And your red blood cells. Carry oxygen. And see, the red part of your blood cells, say white blood cells, your platelets for clotting. White blood cells only so just, and if you buy, no, sorry, you buy and our red blood cells also or carry oxygen and then other nutrients to your body organs, maybe your liver, your kidney, your heart, your brain. All those cells, the red blood cells carry oxygen to those parts. And right now, the red blood cells are infected. So it means that whatever it is carrying is also what's infected. And when they become infected, if it be sequestration, as I said, red blood cell are infected. It has that ability to penetrate them capillaries and veins, online and snap the friend endothelium. It's a penetrate a hormone. So meaning say emojana ADF usani or those vessels they can be obstructed, they can be blocked. And if those parts are blocked, then can say emojana so contains red blood cells and also infected them. And they carry oxygen. After so corner or more they have been blocked. And if a part of your body needs oxygen, that's a blockage no over. It means that part will own your oxygen.
In that case, what's going to happen to you?
So what is going to happen is say, Ube say ni pano go to me diamond. Na ni mo janso no e beti aba form because the disease in so our ability to say it break it down red blood cells no and 10. Normally red blood cells no and they take about 120 days to go off, the new ones are produced. But when because of the immunity, it break it up and 10. And no one so now a boost here, if every HB, hemoglobin level. To also be malaria, it goes on for some time, then once in a panel, if every anemia, saying more than a so active. And I say, yes. And I will get anemia, so more than swatting, it means that with oxygen level, so a swatting. So sometimes, some of our hospitals, it's medium oxygen for some time. Until say the acute condition patients will respond well to treatment. In malaria, like it causes a lot of havoc, especially in our environment, and I say where we find ourselves as Ghanaians, especially in the tropics. And say in Sahara and and also if we know like how serious it is. And also that's why because it has a lot of complications. A lot of complications. Invasion it can get into your brain. And it causes cerebral malaria.
Hey!
Yes.
Cerebral malaria.
It can get into your brain, yes.
Wow.
To that extent. It can damage your kidneys. It's not damaging the liver.
It's malaria now, or you can transfer or you are to say as papa, more cunning pampo. Wow, it's a very tiny boy, young woman. What can we do? What should we do to prevent the death? Malaria.
Okay, thank you. Indeed, one of the things I say, share mosquito na kasana or bushy areas. In Swato, Ghana had, there were a lot of potholes. And I said, your friend of paddles in Swato, now I collected we are collecting in Sio and kitchen. Mosquito in the Libya or Shabby or better in Bush. Now, almost me brow or bottom, and I mean, say the life cycle is also getting. And these are the places now, almost shared in Tokyo. Every vampire, if you was in Swiss, you will contact. But only, or better to me, or better to me, by the time you realize, won't be a poor man, Tonto member, but you don't say, Tonto everything. And we have to make sure, say, those stagnant waters in draining, and I say, yeah, let me ashy. That's how it's so. Say, oh, baby, you lose you. You're making sure, say, I use you, because mosquito, only the open baby or being and I say obedore.
It's the magic for that so sooner. What you do, Tuntuna to which you find than Tutu swimmer.
Who makes me aim but and kissing. And I think sometimes you will car tire, I say. And in swat almost a name so aging, and car tire and so every back. Almost a honor on pay, or makes me about a show. And I say, yeah, Bora, or fire, in swat to in swat to and also, and one makes me up the it's also making sure say all those bushy areas you clear stagnant water is mentioned. Was say you did a hundred anytime I so better. And you say that's a sample. It was say it's in the I say time and I water and so on. Nothing so tired by a fee on. It's because of that near back and you can't to the name that yes I in so they were wanting in another side. Into the area in so they were wanting into the area. Gatan, I was so sad. What's the signing in now they are putting out because we are woman, yeah, and I end of the day, and don't me very and see all those say a Juma year, but ya home didn't see no. They will say it's in a design and I think so. A moment say a fee, almost find nets and show windows. And also very important because nets in the trap these mosquitoes. Say they are almost back a dining and mammal. It's netting and here. I think she raised me under mosquito nets. We are one who dealt with it. Go up and come fee and then on our doors. Moya saying the fee, they give all of us mosquito nets. And it's a very good almost the farm, almost the almost farm. Almost the day almost farm. And it means, we are real, then it is your own fault. You can't blame the
mosquitoes not worry. Let's have my farm. Let's have a fence and then more farm. And now, oh, yeah, some more.
Already the fence, but that is not the purpose of it. If you also them are in a heat and a dependent, but I think so.
Because what the man means,
and see, sometimes there's a false. I think so you rain so say whoopee up on thing and turn to my back. Whoopee up on thing. Who gets me a shape ultra or long sleeve. Now, say they are so simple and I will be shy. We may find out examination is source. You go on the first way I come to us and turn to around. Say they are all the level of mobile. Now, one come with malaria because some of us know. The immune system is very strong that malaria needs to be anything more check. Those signs on MP. But by the time you realize now complications are setting in, it's the best thing we say. And my and to me don't to me pan no about
the people that's papa it's a sin some be all day is go up malaria in Kenya. It's until some second be wifey, they will share as all day, say, it's in Yatin can be there, a year, another year malaria. That's what we'll take a look at. Yasha prevention in there. Next time, maybe show you the then need treat another say day in a 3 year by malaria. You better name of the pay, American is be there. One to them. Treated mosquito net, one far more there, fragile plan. Oh, it's so embarrassing. It's a orchard, ne malaria, until I came you. Why can't the fancy say, Puya, and now a local padua. Now you there, if I share at a run and so war. Also, no good to the Mara, or she sorts and book home. No one can suffer bomb, but no one cow. Ne feels won't operate in a way for ma. In chancing, make a chance with the whole come beef be a way to so that one in so dinner tie, can't tie, and so dim demina, and tun or to knitting forward in shower type baby or to the man. Ma, telephone or paya, or about malaria. It's my music, and madame, Robert Church, never yet, being young and living, Sunday a year. That was a power for women. They will have me and I believe she be right. If you say it's you can't bear the year up, it has no day. The version another time, and the dance. It was just a ora or more, I cried for papa. It's my musia, yash and apple with tea, the more one who mark on the macro.